Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful granny hexagons. It's very easy. We will just make 5 rows. I'm gonna make a beginner friendly tutorial, so if you're a starter, don't worry, you can make it. For this one, I use this yarn, King Cole Big Value Aran yarn. It's a category 4 yarn. I use 4.5 millimeter with this because it's a soft yarn and I want to make a bag with these squares, so I use 4.5. But if you want to make a blanket or maybe a cardigan, a top, it's be better to use a bigger size hook with this yarn or any category 4 yarn. You will need a yarn needle, also of course scissors, and I want to give you the measurements. If you measure it from here, it's 12 centimeters, a little bit longer than 12 centimeters. If you measure it from the corners, it's 14 centimeters. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below, and if you are ready, we can start now. We are gonna start with the magic ring, but if you're a starter, you can make 4 chains, join with a slip stitch from the first chain. Actually, I could show you. Make 4 chains, join from this first chain, chain 3, and work into this ring. Okay, we are gonna make double crochets, work into this ring. But it's not hard to make a magic ring, and it's time for you to learn this if you don't know. Just hold the yarn with your finger, okay? Rub it around your fingers. And we're gonna rub it one more time, but this time we will make a kind of cross. And hold this yarn with your small finger. Just insert the hook under this first strand, grab the second one, and make a twist. Grab the same yarn and make a chain. Oops. Okay, that's our magic ring. Make 2 more chains. That's our first double crochet, and we are gonna make 11 more double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now it's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, and 12 double crochet. Just close the ring tightly, okay? Now insert from the third chain. I'm gonna put this tail on the top of my hook. I will keep hiding it. Make a slip stitch. That's the end of the first row. For the second row, we will make puff stitches. Chain 1, this does not count as anything, okay? Yarn over. Insert into this third chain again. Grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over. Insert same place. Pull the yarn. We will make it one more time. We have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 6. Just leave this last one. It will look better with this way. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1 and make a loose chain here. If you want, you can chain 2. It's up to you. Yarn over and working around the tail. Insert into this next stitch. Make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6, pull through 2, then a chain. Into the next stitch. Make a puff stitch. Then a chain. Now for this row we will make totally 12 puff stitches. I'll meet you at the end. I made 12 puff stitches. It looks like that right now. Don't worry about it. We are gonna fix this. Okay? Cut this tail. Make a chain and join from this first puff stitch. From this, on the top of this puff stitch. Then we will make a slip stitch into this chain space. Chain 1 and we are gonna make puff stitch again. This time we will put 2 puff stitches into this chain space. One, chain 1, 2. When you complete these 2, you are not gonna make a chain. That's important. It's not too important, but if you're a starter, it will be easy to follow the pattern for the next row. Okay, we will only use these chain spaces in the next row. So don't make any chains here. Insert into this next space. Make a puff, chain 1, make 1 more. Don't make any chains. Into the next space, make 2 puff stitches. That's the first one, chain 1. And that's our repeat for this row. I'll meet you at the end. Now at the end of the row, I have totally 24 puff stitches, 12 one chain spaces. Just join from the top of the first puff stitch. Insert into this one chain space, make a slip stitch. Chain 3. Next double crochet, put 2 more. 1, 2, chain 2, and into the same place put 3 double crochets. And that's our first corner. 3 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles. Yarn over, skip here. Into this next one chain space, we are gonna put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Skip here. Into the next, we are gonna make a corner. 1, 2, 3 doubles, chain 2, and 3 more doubles. Into this next chain 1 space, I'm gonna put 3 double crochets, and into the next here I'm gonna put 3 doubles, 2 chains, 3 more double crochets. And repeat this till the end. I'm at the last corner. Now here I'm gonna put 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and from this third chain join with this slip stitch. Now we are making the last row. Chain 1, insert same place, put a single crochet. Without yarning over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through. We made 3 single crochets. Into the corner I'm gonna make 1 single, chain 2, and 1 more single crochet. Now we are gonna put 1 single crochet into each stitch. Don't miss this one. It's easy to miss. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 single crochet, 1 single, chain 2, 1 more single crochet. We will repeat this for this one side. You will have 11 single crochets totally. I'll meet you at the end. I'm at the end of the row. I have 7 single crochets here, starting from this corner. Okay, now I'm gonna close this. Wait, this way, just loose the loop, grab a yarn needle. It's be better to close the squares or hexagons, any grannies, with a needle, because while you are joining it you can confuse about the stitch, because if you join with a slip stitch here, you can count the slip stitch as a stitch, so you will have more stitch than you need. Now that's our first single crochet. Skip this. Insert from the second stitch. Okay. And you see this a kind of V shape, insert inside it, just close here. Now I'm gonna hide the tail. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.